Hi everyone, hi sir, hi classmates. My name is Lianyo Enutan and I'm 15 years old, live in Sitio Rebe, Purok City, Godod Poblacion, Zamboanga del Norte. And I have a broken family because my father died in July 9, 2022 because she have a colon cancer. And I have meron pala akong apat na kapatid, bali 5 kami. Tatlo kaming lalaki tapos 2 babae. Yung isang babae naman na panganay ay may asawa na at may anak na. Yung isa naman na babae ay nag-aaral pa, grade 12. Tapos yung isa naman na lalaki ay nagtatrabaho kasi tumigil siya sa pag-aaral. Tapos yung bunso naman, tapos ako nandito nakatira kasama si mama. Tapos I'm going to school in Godod National High School because I love this place because it's too cold and happy friends, you know. And my favorite food is carbonara, spaghetti, chicken nuggets, ice cream, cake like ube cake and chocolate cake and graham. And I love sports. My sports is basketball and volleyball. And my hobbies is listening music and watching movies like anime and Netflix. My favorite Netflix movie is Avengers because I love this movie. And my favorite anime is Naruto Shippuden. And also I cook because my father told me to cook. And I have meron na kasing bagong asawa si mama kasi namatay si papa noon. Tapos meron kaming baboy inalaga ni mama dun sa bukid. 4 iyon, yung 2 gagawing inahin para tapos then I have and my favorite color is rainbow because I love this color, you know. Thank you guys, maraming salamat.
3 minutes na?
3 minutes na, 16. Yun lang, maraming salamat.